Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. After updating to iOS 15 Beta 2 profile iPhone user facing Wi-Fi internet issue. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first and basic method is enable and disable airplane mode. Simply launch settings and enable airplane mode. Now force quit Cydia app and lock your iPhone for a couple of minutes. Then unlock your iPhone and same go back to setting and disable airplane mode. The second thing that we have to do, disable virtual private network, mean VPN. For that, simply launch settings, tap on your journal, and under journal we have to tap on VPN and make sure that VPN is disconnected. The third thing that we have to do, reset network settings. To reset network settings on iPhone or iPad, we have to tap on settings, general, then reset. Now reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Number 4, turn off Wi-Fi calling. For that, launch settings, tap on privacy, tap on location services. Now tap on system services. Now find networking and wireless or Wi-Fi calling, turn off. Tap turn off. Number 5, check the latest iOS version. To check that, launch settings, general, software update, and update your iPhone if any update is available. Finally, we go for solution number 6, forget Wi-Fi and restart your iPhone. Tap on settings, tap on Wi-Fi and eye symbol in front of your connected Wi-Fi, then forget this network and forget the network. Now force quit the setting app and restart your iPhone. To restart iPhone, go to settings, general, shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. After turning on, go back to settings, tap on Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.